The world is mourning the loss of Pope Francis,
who passed away on April 21st, 2025.
leaving behind a legacy of compassion, reform, and global outrage.
As tributes pour in across the globe, attention now turns to the Asian process of selecting his successor.
The funeral mass of Pope Francis will take place on April 26, 2025 at St. Peter's Square.
The election of new pope begins between 15 to 20 days after the death. The College of Cardinals, the senior leaders of Catholic Church, will soon gather in the Vatican City to begin the papal conclave, a highly secretive election process that dates back centuries. Only cardinals under the age of 80 are allowed to vote in a Sistine Chapel, where they will take an oath before casting their votes. Currently, out of 252 cardinals worldwide, 138 are eligible to vote. To be elected as a candidate must secure a 2/3 majority vote. After each round of voting, the ballots are burned. The world watches the chapel's chimney for the traditional smoke signal. Black smoke means no pope has been elected, while white smoke signifies that a new leader has been chosen. Once a candidate receives enough votes, he is asked whether he accepts the role. If he agrees, he chooses a new papal name. The announcement is then made from the balcony of St. Peter's Basilica with the historic word Habemus Papam, Latin for "We have a Pope." Then the newly elected Pope will deliver his first public blessing, stepping into his role as a spiritual leader of over 1.3 billion Catholics worldwide and the head of Vatican City. As the world awaits the next chapter in the history of Catholic Church, the conclave remains a powerful reminder of tradition, unity, and faith.